Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies. Welcome to How to Get It Done, 1 minute locksmith tips. Have you ever found yourself on a job site when you're getting ready to rekey a cylinder and you realize that you forgot your follower or you couldn't find it? Or the size of follower you have compared to the plug diameter is different and your follower is not going to work? Let me zoom in and I'll show you how you can get it done with items found in your shop or van. Okay, so typically one of two items you'll find around your work area you'll be able to use as a follower. The first is going to be a Sharpie, especially if the diameter of the plug here is quite small. If a Sharpie doesn't work, go grab your set of drill bits. Inside there, start trying different drill bits to find a similar diameter to the plug that you need to remove to rekey. Once you do that, like this, you can easily use the backside here of a drill bit as a plug follower. That's how you get it done. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.